So we're hoping that we show you today how to do it safely, and you crank it, and then you dig it. You own it.
We cranked it. We dug it. We owned it. Safely.
Up until I took my geotech classes, that's when I was like, oh, this is pretty cool, and I learned about shoring and everything. So then after graduating, I started here at Pond & Johnson's.
I really liked the crane station, mainly because it interests me the most. But all the guys were super nice and cool, and I enjoyed all the stations.
I had no idea there was so much to learn. I'm thinking the excavator inspired me the most. It was engaging and fun with the challenge.
I really like the simulators because they put us in a vehicle to test, since we'll need the experience and training before we use it on a construction site.
Being able to operate and drive the equipment blew me away. I appreciated the trust they had in us.
Deep gratitude to our 15 sponsors and host sites for investing in the deep foundations industry and in these driven future leaders. They came for the thrill of a hands-on experience, and they left with an exciting career path to explore. Let's bring the DFI Equipment Rodeo to your market.